What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I cannot even begin to tell you how excited I am about the video we have for you today. If you've been following the tech space lately, you know that 2026 has brought us some incredible innovations, but nothing quite like what I have sitting right here on my desk. This is the brand new 2026 Apple MacBook Neo, a 13-inch laptop that is quite literally built from the ground up to usher in the era of artificial intelligence. Now, before we get too deep into the weeds of the specs and the performance, I want to remind you that if you find yourself falling in love with this machine during the review, I have dropped my exclusive Amazon affiliate links right at the top of the description below. Clicking those links is the absolute best way to support the channel at zero additional cost to you, and it ensures you are getting the best, most up-to-date pricing available today, so make sure to check those out. All right, let us dive right into what makes the MacBook Neo such a groundbreaking release. For years, we've been used to the standard MacBook Air and MacBook Pro lineups. They're fantastic machines, but Apple realized there was a gap. There was a need for a highly optimized, ultra-portable device specifically tuned for the new Apple Intelligence ecosystem, without forcing everyday users to pay exorbitant Pro-level prices. Enter the Neo. The first thing you're going to notice, and honestly the thing that made my jaw drop when I unboxed it, is the design, and specifically this color. Apple offers the Neo in silver, blush, and citrus, but the version I have right here is the gorgeous Indigo finish. It's a stunning, deep, moody blue that looks unbelievably premium. It catches the light in this really subtle, professional way that immediately sets it apart from the sea of space gray laptops you see at every coffee shop. But it's not just about the color, it's about the form factor. This laptop weighs an incredibly light 2.7 pounds, which translates to about 1.23 kilograms. When you pick it up, it almost feels like you're holding an iPad with a keyboard attached. It measures just half an inch thick, 11.7 inches wide, and 8.1 inches deep. This is the ultimate travel companion. You can easily slide this into a minimalist tote bag, a small backpack, or even a sleek folio, and you'll completely forget it's there. Yet, despite being so unbelievably thin and light, it still retains that classic rock-solid aluminum unibody construction. There's zero deck flex when you type, and the hinge is perfectly balanced so you can easily open the lid with a single finger. Opening that lid brings us to the visual experience, and Apple has absolutely knocked it out of the park here. We're looking at a 13.0-inch Liquid Retina display packed with IPS technology. It features a native resolution of 2408 by 1506, which gives you 219 pixels per inch. For you and me, that means text is rendered with razor-sharp clarity. If you spend hours reading articles, writing essays, or coding, your eyes are not going to feel fatigued. The screen reaches a peak brightness of 500 nits. I took this laptop out to my back patio yesterday afternoon in direct sunlight, and I had absolutely no problem reading my emails or watching a YouTube video. The display supports 1 billion colors and covers the sRGB color space, meaning your photos look vibrant, lifelike, and incredibly accurate. Whether you're casually scrolling through your camera roll or doing some light color correction on a video project, this screen is a joy to look at. Sitting right above that breathtaking display is the 1080p FaceTime HD camera. In our current era of remote work, hybrid learning, and constant virtual communication, a good webcam is absolutely essential. Apple has paired this 1080p sensor with the advanced image signal processor inside the new chip, meaning you get fantastic low-light performance. Your skin tones look natural, the background exposure is balanced, and you'll consistently look like the most professional person in your Zoom or Microsoft Teams meetings. Paired with that camera is a phenomenal dual microphone array featuring directional beamforming. It includes voice isolation in wide spectrum modes, which means if you're taking a call in a noisy environment, the microphones will actively filter out the background chatter and focus entirely on your voice. And when you're done working and want to relax, the dual-speaker sound system is surprisingly robust. It supports spatial audio when you're playing music or watching movies with Dolby Atmos. You get a genuinely immersive, room-filling experience that you'd never expect from a chassis this thin. And yes, they even kept the 3.5mm headphone jack for anyone who still loves wired audio. But now, we need to talk about the real reason this laptop exists, and that's the performance. Underneath the keyboard lies the beating heart of the MacBook Neo, the A18 Pro chip. Yes, the same incredibly efficient, wildly powerful architecture that powers their flagship devices has been engineered to run macOS. This chip features a 6-core CPU, balancing 2 high-performance cores with 4 high-efficiency cores, alongside a punchy 5-core GPU. It even includes hardware-accelerated ray tracing, which is mind-blowing for a laptop in this class. But the true star of the show is the 16-core neural engine. This is why Apple calls it built for AI. This neural engine is a dedicated powerhouse for machine learning tasks. Now, let's address the specifications. This base model comes with 8 GB of unified memory and a 256 GB SSD. I know some of you might be leaving comments saying that 8 GB is not enough in 2026, but you have to understand how Apple's unified memory architecture works. With a massive 60 GB per second memory bandwidth, the CPU, the GPU, and that 16-core neural engine all share the same highly optimized pool of memory. For the target audience of this laptop, students, writers, casual creators, and business professionals, it's more than enough. You can have a dozen browser tabs open, stream 4K video, and run intense AI tasks simultaneously without a single stutter. The A18 Pro also includes a dedicated media engine with hardware-accelerated decoding for H.264, HEVC, ProRes, and AV1. This means if you want to edit high-definition video for social media, this laptop will slice through that footage like butter. This brings us seamlessly to the software. The MacBook Neo runs on macOS, which continues to be the most advanced, user-friendly desktop operating system in the world. But the defining feature here is Apple Intelligence. This is not just a chatbot. It's a deeply integrated, system-wide personal intelligence system. Apple Intelligence helps you write better by suggesting tone adjustments. It can summarize incredibly long documents in a matter of seconds, and it helps you manage your daily workflow with unprecedented ease. And the most important factor here is privacy. Because the A18 Pro is so powerful, the vast majority of your AI requests are processed directly on your device. Your emails, your private messages, your business proposals, they never leave your laptop. They're not uploaded to a cloud server to be processed by a third party. It gives you the peace of mind that no one, not even Apple, has access to your personal data. Of course, a portable laptop is only as good as its battery life and connectivity. On the left side of the machine, you'll find one USB 3 Type-C port that supports charging, DisplayPort, and data transfer speeds up to 10 gigabits per second. You also get a secondary USB 2C port for additional peripherals. If you prefer working at a desk, the Neo supports one external 4K display at 60 Hz, while simultaneously running the inbuilt display at full resolution. As for battery life, the efficiency of the A18 Pro is simply staggering. Inside is a 36.5 watt-hour lithium-ion battery. In my real-world testing, that gets you up to 16 hours of continuous video streaming or around 11 hours of wireless web browsing. This is a legitimate all-day machine. You can leave the house at 8 a.m., work all day, and come home without ever needing to plug in the included 20-watt USB-C power adapter. So, what's the final verdict? Should you buy the 2026 Apple MacBook Neo? If you're a hardcore professional editing massive 3D models or feature-length films, you should probably step up to the MacBook Pro. But for the vast majority of users out there, this is the perfect machine. It's unbelievably lightweight, the Indigo color is absolutely beautiful, the Liquid Retina Display is top tier, and the inclusion of the A18 Pro chip with on-device Apple Intelligence makes this the smartest laptop you can buy for everyday use. It's snappy, secure, and incredibly fun to use. If you're ready to pull the trigger and upgrade your daily driver, don't forget to click the Amazon link in the description below to secure yours today. Let me know in the comments what you think of the MacBook Neo and if you're as excited about on-device AI as I am. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.